Spend less time switching between applications and monitors by consolidating revisions and feedback in your AutoCAD drawings using markup import. When you plot a PDF file from AutoCAD 2025 to a location in your project stored in Autodesk Docs, you can then take advantage of using the robust markup tools inside Autodesk Docs, then synchronize the markups for all project collaborators. When the user has finished creating markups inside of Autodesk Docs, you can sync the markups to AutoCAD. This will connect and sync the markups collaborators have created, incorporating them in the AutoCAD Trace workspace. You can also use the markup import tool in AutoCAD to connect and sync these markups as well. Once synced, markups made in Autodesk Docs will continue to update in a trace layer in AutoCAD. So you can review and incorporate feedback without having to switch between applications.